Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to respond to negative reviews on Fiverr. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get started. Negative reviews on Fiverr can hurt your business, but only if you don't handle them right. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to respond professionally, protect your reputation, and even turn unhappy buyers into loyal customers. So let's get started. First, stay calm. Never argue publicly. Start by thanking the buyer. Say, I appreciate your feedback. Acknowledge their concern briefly, like, I understand this didn't meet your expectations. Then offer a solution. I'd love to fix this for you. Please message me directly. If the review is unfair, politely state facts without blame. For example, per our agreement, I delivered the feature on time. End with professionalism. I value your experience and hope to improve. In conclusion, remember, future buyers will judge you by your response. Stay polite, take responsibility where needed, and always aim to resolve issues privately. For more Fiverr tips, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.